Well, these are live pictures outside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court as people who have gathered outside the Magistrates Court here celebrating the judgment of this court, in that, of course, 4 of the applicants in this matter have been denied bail, this being Sinohe Matsware, as well as Teboho Dipolo, and also Tieho Mahotsa, as well as Buti Masukela. The only one that has been granted bail, of course, being Anastasia Janssen. They've been carrying placards outside the court here, calling for justice for Katlego. We saw a bit earlier on that there had been a prayer that was held by his mother outside this court before proceedings got underway. So part of his family members, also you see the mother is also outside here now. We spoke to her a bit earlier on, indicating that she is happy with the outcome of this particular matter. And just to go through a bit of what had been said by the presiding magistrate, the magistrate essentially saying that he believes that there is a prima facie case against the applicants 1, 2, 3 and 4. And what has been argued before this court is that so far, with what has been brought, the magistrates court also believing that it would not be correct. Part of the argument you would have heard was that there had been the defense in its quest to get bail for the applicants had indicated that their clients would not interfere with witnesses. They don't know who are the witnesses who will take the stand in the trial court. And the presiding magistrate saying that he does not believe that that is indeed the case. He does believe that the witnesses who would take the stand in this matter would be known to the applicants that had been applying for bail here in the Magistrates Court. So some of the conditions, of course, that have been placed for Anastasia Janssen, who is applicant number 5, but accused number 8 in this matter. She's been ordered to pay a 10,000 Rand bail and to report on Fridays to the Haydendal police station. And she must also not have direct contact with the witnesses. You must recall, part of what her lawyers had canvassed in her defense in applying for bail in this matter. Her lawyer had basically argued that indeed, yes, Sassi Janssen was inside the CCTV room at the time that the doors had opened for Thabo Bester to be let go. But what he argued essentially was that his client had believed that the person who was leaving the facility was a G4S employee, as we well now know that Thabo Bester had escaped wearing a G4S uniform. So her personal circumstances certainly seem to have also been taken into account, in that she has got children and she is the only one who is the primary caregiver of those particular children. But she, of course, being the only one who has been granted bail, the other 4 who are applicants 1, 2, 3 and 4, this court believed that it would not be in the interest of justice for them to be granted bail. So breaking news at this hour, of course, and more reaction coming outside the Bloemfontein Magistrates Court. 4 of the applicants in this bail hearing have been denied bail. 1 has been granted bail of 10,000 Rand. So these are scenes that we'll continue to see here outside this court. The mother, of course, of Katlego Bereng had also been amongst those who had been attending proceedings. Together with my colleague Kamogelo Siekwe, we've also been speaking to other family members who then indicated that they're disappointed, of course, that some of their family members have not been granted bail. And then on the other hand, you also have the family of Anastasia Janssen happy with the outcome of this particular matter. Back to you in studio.